Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing some student hacks because summer is over. Subscribe to the channel for full peeks that'll be delivered right at your door, and don't forget to hit this bell. That's the only way that I can ring your bell. So the goal for this video is to try out these hacks and see if they work. I'll be the test dummy. No, number 2, do it exactly as the video says. Number 3, help you save time. All right, let's get into these hacks. The video that we're gonna be trying out is called 30 Student Hacks You'd Wish You'd Known Sooner by, of course, my friends 5-Minute Crafts. Currently doing a huge back to school giveaway. You can stick to the end of this video to find out how to win it. It is so simple to enter. How to have fun with friends. They are all laying down. That's a little bit of a weird way to have fun with friends. Remove the chairs, okay. Oh my God, are they literally floating? So strange. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is just strange. Oh girl, that girl looks like she's struggling. Like with her hands up here, just struggling. This is kind of a strange way to have fun with friends. Okay, and they all fell, and the girl in the blue is very happy about it. All right, so unfortunately I don't have friends, so I don't know who I could do this with. I might try with Dennis. Okay, another way to open up a can is by using like a really hard duct tape. Interesting, okay. All right, you guys, welcome to Natalie's Kitchen. Today, we are gonna be opening up a jar of pesto and a jar of pickles. Why did you bring pickles?
Pickles are known for being hard to open.
Jupiter, do you like pickles?
No.
Well, here we have our tape. Okay, so there. And now we're gonna yank. That was easy. That was actually remarkably easy. I'm actually kind of shocked. Pickle time. Oh, my pinky. It's gonna be a disaster. I feel it.
Try it.
I'm wearing my dress.
Well,
wait, why don't I hold it and you pull? It's Natalie and Dennis versus the pickle. Ah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
oh,
I told you! I told you! Now the whole house smells like pickle juice.
it's in my
We
mouth.
have visitors over and like
There's
big
pickle
explosion.
juice
Come here,
on
don't
the
eat that.
lens.
Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells like so bad.
It smells like so bad.
Using a very large water, we're gonna take a little spoon out of it. Ooh, and then with a lighter, gonna kind of make the edges not so rough, and you can use it for your tea. What is that, butter? I don't know what that is. That was a pretty cool hack. For this one, I'm super excited. We're gonna be creating a DIY spoon. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, draw a little pretend spoon, and then be very careful with this. You can either use an X-Acto knife or scissors. Cut our little spoon out. I cut my spoon out. Now I have to just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so here we have our spoon. It actually looks just like a plastic spoon. And now, being super careful with this part, if you are little, if you are young, make sure you have adult supervision while doing this. Pretty much you just light it up, I guess. Oh my gosh! Holy cow, that goes really fast. So just be really light with it.
So I got you something thick.
Happy birthday.
And something soft.
Is this expired? Yeah, it works. It can't hold up much, but it does work.
Why?
Ew, but it says 2020. Oh no. Whoa. Okay, you really have to get in there. But check it out. It kind of does work. That's good. Who enjoys eating eggs for breakfast? Give this video a thumbs up, comment below. Or if you don't, comment below what you eat for breakfast. Taking a little Ziploc bag, we are putting eggs in there, and then some veggies, we're shaking it up, and bam! Okay. Have like an omelet type of thing. That looks pretty fancy for a student, if I may say so myself. All right, you guys, so for this next kitchen hack by 5-Minute Crafts, even though they said the student hacks, we're gonna be taking an egg, and Natalie's
expired.
Hopefully not. Wrap the egg inside the bag. Here we go, this is fun. I've never done this before in my life. Something like that.
Wow.
You can add vegetables, but I chose not to. And then you just go like that. Jupiter, get away.
Ew.
You better get away.
You better get the hell out of here.
No, carefully, you might burn yourself. Okay. We're just gonna dump it in like they did.
Won't the plastic melt?
Yeah, totally. No BPA free or anything like that in this recipe.
Let it go.
No, they waited.
What are you waiting for? No one's gonna feed you.
Bubba.
Wow, okay, Dennis's outlet nowadays.
Oh. Can you capture more of me? No one wants to look at the egg for that long.
Okay, let's get some.
Are we good?
Natalie, what even are these?
Bubba, can you please focus on the egg?
Explain
Focus
what
on
they
the egg.
are.
Those are rambutans.
What the heck are rambutans?
It's a fruit, okay.
Rambutans.
You better stay back.
Watch yourself, dog. Watch yourself. Yeah.
So, thank you 5 Minute Crafts for this lovely. Oh, I'm burning my fingers. I'm literally holding on to the heat.
Jupiter, dinner time.
Eat it.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Let's play a game called What's in Natalie's Trash?
Ew. Don't look at my trash. It's like very private. We are taking a wine bottle. How is this related to students again? I feel like these are mom hacks, man. Then you take a key, you twist it around, and bam, you open up the wine cap. Now, as someone that doesn't drink, this isn't quite useful for me. As a student, I'm also like, maybe you shouldn't be drinking. Are you over the age of 21? That thing looks like a cheese, like a piece of cheese. So I guess we're gonna try that one out. Dennis, go get me wine. This is more like a mom hack or something like that, or not even. Okay, why
Well, according to 5 Minute Crafts, it's a student hack.
Kinda dangerous, no?
It's gonna be really dangerous. Just be careful. Do it.
Can you do this? Like, I
Why
feel
would
like I shouldn't be doing this. I
It's
feel like
Natalie's
it's gonna pop.
outlet. It's your creative
Why can't
outlet.
you do
love
stuff?
saying that.
Are you a hater?
Natalie, that's not gonna work like that.
Baba, I'm
You
trying
really
my
gotta
best.
dig it in.
But I have fake nails. They're gonna fall off.
So stop using fake nails in your stupid videos. No one's impressed. You knew this one was gonna suck. Why the hell did you pick it?
What do you mean? I wanted to see if it actually worked. I'm scared. I don't know what to do.
Well, Natalie, chicken out after this mid-roll. We're back from the mid-roll.
If it was your channel, you'd have like 8 mid-rolls. Honestly, I'm gonna do this, okay? I'm gonna say this is not safe. And don't try this at home.
I think you're just scared.
Yeah, I wanna have both eyes to see with. I wanna have teeth to eat with. And
You're not gonna knock out a teeth.
have you seen this hit people? This is terrifying. What I am gonna do?
I paid $18 for this wine. I was dropped the camera.
All right, this one I can already see will be a disaster and very painful. So we have a can opener in this case, but we have a spoon. Now this person has a lot of force. I'm just looking at what they're doing. Oh my goodness, how on earth? They're probably in so much pain opening this up. Is this like a magical spoon? How did he do that? Down, down, down until they got around. All right, we shall try that hack out. My poor little wrist. R.I.P. R.I.P. Welcome back. All right, so now we're gonna be taking this incredible spoon and going into this
Damn.
zucchini.
Ew.
Ew. All right, so pretty much what they did is they just went ham.
Have the strength to do it.
No, I don't think so. This is pretty much what they did.
You really gotta dig in there. Get that zucchini.
I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. Is this worth it? This is a dumb hack, and I hate everything about it. Just buy a can opener. Oh my god. What are we doing this for?
It's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
Bruh. I'm getting it in.
No, just stop, please. Okay.
Look, I'm getting in
That
there.
looks bad. No, that's why they invented can openers. Just stop, please. Now, if you want to do a full-on circle, all you have to do is take 2 pens, put one in between the other, and turn it around. That looked too easy to believe, but we shall try it out. For this one, we're going to be creating a perfect circle. What you're going to need is 2 pens, pencils, whatever you want. So we're going to tape these down. Wait, I think we've done this hack before. It looks really familiar. No! A little bit trial and error. Let's do it again. Take 2. Dang it, where do I miss? Dang it! say you're gonna have to have a really steady hand. I think that's what it is.
I think it also depends on the paper, or not.
Oh man, why don't I do it right? It's too much. What do I do wrong? Well, this one's too little now. This one's gonna work, but it's too tiny. Ooh! Now, if you want to make a straight line, oh come on, you can do better than that. Literally shook their hand to do that. If you want to do a straight line, all you have to do is take the end of your pencil for the little straight line. We're going to be creating a straight line. So, this is me drawing a pretty straight line. And let me not have any context right here. I'm going to go like this, which I get it, you know. It's not 100% straight, but it's not like bad like they were doing it. But whatever, we're gonna take our pen and we are going to do a straight line. Bam. 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 Ooh, like these little slingshots. Okay. Wait a second. How is this school related? Slingshot people in class? So we're gonna take a little cup and we're gonna cut it out in the back. Then taking a balloon, we're gonna tie it up. So we're gonna cut it through. We're gonna put it through the cup. And then bam, you have yourself a little prank to do in class. I don't know if they would allow you to have this in class. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have fun slingshotting Dennis.
How's it going? Oh my god!
Yeah! He would probably get in so much trouble. Are you kidding me? You better run for your life! Oh my god, you hit me! Oh my god, I suck at this. Oh!
Come here, stop! Stop!
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other 5-minute crafts you want me to try out by commenting down below. For the giveaway, I must skip to a segment, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Below what other 5-minute craft videos you want me to test out next. The crazier, the better. For the back to school giveaway, you guys, it is so simple to enter. All you have to do is be sure that you're a part of the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on that little bell so I can send you a full pizza to your door. I'm gonna be giving away all of these amazing goodies perfect for back to school. I just want you guys to be excited and so ready to take on this school year. So all you have to do is be sure that you head on over to my Instagram at Natalie's Outlet and comment on this picture right here what your dream job is and what grade you're going into. That is it. You can comment on that picture as many times as you want, and in this amount of time, I'm gonna be picking the winner that will be announced right here on my channel. I'm so excited. There will be 6 different winners. And if you wanna check out what are the back to school prizes that I'm giving you, you can check out the video that is right over here by clicking this over here. I'm gonna link it down below in the description. I love you guys so much. As always, don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.